on display at SEMA for GaragePros, and I'll tell you what, we're learning a lot here about not only what K&N does, but also some of the things they continue to do and will do as they go down the road here. And Vince Pistonetti's been nice enough to take a little bit of time with us here. You don't stop at the filters, you go back a little bit further and get a little closer to the motor here, don't you?
Absolutely. And, for someone that really wants to open it up, hear the sound, get the real performance in the intake system and out of the motor, we have developed a line of our intake kits, and the systems cover a wide range of different types of vehicles for the market, whether it be more sport compact like the kits we make for the Hyundai Genesis, or maybe you're more into muscle cars like for the Dodge Challenger, or just something to get a little more power when you're using your vehicle for work, like an F-150. We do have a wide range of applications and intake systems that'll fit those needs.
And it must be a pretty interesting process going through the R&D system to set this all up, because from the factory it's probably a pretty quality piece, but there's always a little bit more you can get out of it, right?
You can never have too much power. So we do a lot of testing to make sure that everything on the kit can be as spot on as possible, and that goes through air temperature sensing testing, making sure that the inlet air temperatures are where they need to be so that they're not throwing check engine lights, but also the ease of use of installing the product on the vehicle. We want to make sure that the intake system can be bolted on with no additional tuning, no additional cutting. It's simply bolt on and away you go.
The consumer appreciates that when they don't have to take it to a shop somewhere to have it put it on. With the right tools, they can do it right in their own driveway.
Absolutely. And for your stay-at-home mechanics, it really is a great way to improve power in just a few hours.
Very good. Vince Pistonetti, thank you so much for taking the time. K&N Filters, tell you what, they make everything you could possibly need, and they make it to get a little bit more horsepower out of that factory deal for sure. We're at SEMA for GaragePros. I'm Mark Nolan.